sick of that smoke. I'm sick of your lonely heart always calling me at 3 in the morning, 3 in the morning. I'm sick of that.
Right, Max, Chris from the Hagon factory. So this week's video, we've got the Velo. We're still working on it. I've cut all the excess off the engine plates. I've machined up a couple of little tools that we needed to get this thing sorted. It's coming up really well. And we're going to have a talk about research and productivity. I think we're doing more research these days because there's so many different platforms, which is fantastic, but we're not getting enough out through our hands. So we'll have a talk about that later.
Live from your heart, babe. Don't hide in fear. Beware of fools gold, smoke and mirrors. Watch out for tricksters, the wolves in sheep's clothes, heroic chameleons, restless ghosts. Take care of yourself and love fearlessly, and keep yourself in good company. Carnival barkers and old circus clowns, they summon dark forces.
Righto. So as you can imagine, I do a lot of research. I'm always on YouTube, the best platform ever. As you know, I love it. I like making the videos, I like watching people. I'll put up a list of people that I do watch later. Some really great guys, a lot of different stuff. It's not all motorbike stuff. Just for an example, it's shed racing. So if you get on the shed racing, it's amazing. Ivan Dutton, what a legend. He's 84. He's got the bloke that he calls his boy, John. John must be in his 60s, and they build everything. They're not scared of taking on any job. Vintage cars is their specialty. They do motorbikes as well. They've got an aeroplane-engined car, the Hall and Scott, which they're racing. They've got a heap of other race cars, really worth a look. Dominic Chia, excellent. He has to go at absolutely anything. Sign riding, he's building a Porsche. He's actually going to build a aeroplane-powered car, aero-engine car. He's built a few bikes as well, Triumphs, and he's had Beezers and all that. Oz BSA Bantams, Tony, he is unreal. He's having a go at casting, some Walsh Bantam heads. He's getting better at it. He's doing a lot of research, and he's moving forward. It's a lot better than I could do. He's doing a great job. Craig from Medica Hydroblasting. He's got a lot of skills, this bloke. He can do wheels, he can blast everything, he can weld, he can machine. Worth a look.
I'm sick of your lonely heart always crashing on my door. Just go get stoned.
And the best thing about all these blokes that I've just spoken about is when they fail, they show you. They explain why, they go through it, they don't cover it up. It's not like some of these big flash American productions who everything's perfect all the time. These guys are real.
I'm sick of this city, and ain't it a pity? we didn't get out sooner, baby. I'm sick of your lonely heart always crashing.
I've got all these other things that I look at. I look at books. We've got Phil Irving's Tuning for Speed. What a book. This thing here would have got more motorbikes going than ever, I'd say. Great research. I have VMX magazines. They're great too. In these magazines, it's just like when you, back in the day when you used to buy records and you'd go, oh, that's a great song, and then you'd have a look and you'd see it was written by, say, Muddy Waters. So then you'd go and buy Muddy Waters' album, or you'd research that. And then you get one of his albums and it would say T-Bone Walker. It was the song that you liked on that. So then you go get T-Bone Walker album. So these magazines are the same. I read restorers' names, people who make products, all that sort of stuff. And I think, gee, that's nice. And then I go and research their stuff. And this is where I waste a lot of time. I've been, even today, when I got up, I wake up early, but I must have spent 2 hours on YouTube. And I was researching everything, cars, motorbikes, cameras. I don't even know why I was researching cameras. I always look at better cameras. I don't even know how to use the ones I've got. So I'm just wasting time. We need to get back out into the shed. We've got a lot of other books here. We've got the Colin Rosewell book from Broadford. I think we even made it in that one. He always puts out a good book every year. So we can, got a couple of photos. There's Russell Owen there, local Hagon man. We've got lots of Triumph books because I'm building the Triumph dirt tracker. We've got plenty of stuff going on there. I've done plenty of research on that, and I haven't even started it, which is probably holding me up as well because I'm not getting this valet finished. Until the valet is done, we're not working on the Triumph. So we'll get on.
Love fearlessly and keep yourself in good company. Carnival barkers and old circus clowns, they summon dark forces, pull you underground. So beware, beware, babe, the mighty dollar's king. Its lies are everywhere, babe, behind everything. So take care of yourself